Hello, this is Mrs. Rice, and this is a short screencast on how to set your paper up properly in MLA format. The first thing you want to do is go to the Insert button and click on it, head down to where it says Header and Page Number, scroll over to this section here, and go down to Page Number. The very first one will put the page number in the correct location for you on the page. What you're going to do is bring your cursor in front of that number 1 and type in your last name. You're going to then click off of the header and page number section and start to write your name. The way that you set your paper up in MLA format is your name, your teacher's name, the class you're in, and the date is going to be inverted. And what that means is the day of the month comes before the month and then comes the year. You'll notice though that this is not double spaced, so we're going to have to go ahead and highlight this and choose the double space. You can use this up and down line spacing option here and just move over to double. The next thing that you're going to want to do is put a title, and it's going to be centered. To center your title, you can just highlight it, go again to your function key and choose this one where it says Center Align. There's also a keyboard shortcut that you can see underneath, or simply click on this button. Thank you.